Cleaning air conditioning fins correctly prevents efficiency loss and coil damage. Start by cutting power to the unit at the breaker and removing the outer cabinet or access panel so you can see the evaporator or condenser fins clearly. Use a soft brush or a fin comb with the same fin spacing to gently straighten any bent fins. Bent fins restrict airflow and reduce heat transfer. Apply a foaming coil cleaner labeled for aluminum or copper coils, spraying lightly so the foam expands between fins and loosens grime. Allow the foam to dwell for the manufacturer recommended time to dissolve oils and biological growth. Rinse thoroughly with low pressure water from the inside of the coil outward toward the fan and exterior, because rinsing in the same direction as natural airflow carries loosened debris out instead of pushing it deeper into the coil pack. When rinsing, avoid pressure washers or high-pressure nozzles. Use a garden hose or a low-pressure spray that will not bend or damage fins. After rinsing, let the unit dry with the system off for at least 30 minutes. Then reassemble panels, restore power, and run the system on fan only to verify airflow and listen for unusual noises indicating remaining obstructions. The three common mistakes are using high-pressure water that warps fins and forces dirt deeper, spraying from the wrong direction so debris lodges in the coil, and neglecting to straighten bent fins before cleaning, which limits cleaning access and reduces effectiveness. High pressure can be replaced with a garden hose or a low-pressure nozzle, and you should comb fins gently prior to any cleaner to maximize contact. Always rinse from the coil interior outward following the system air path to remove contaminants rather than push them inward, and if you cannot access the inside, safely call a professional. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors, and we host a discussion community so people can ask questions and share experiences about maintenance like fin cleaning. Our site helps contractors find work by letting them post services and respond to homeowner posts, and our forums let both sides exchange practical tips and recommendations.